Hey, to perform the virus scan on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, you have to open the settings. Now you have to scroll down and move into the location. I mean security and the privacy, actually. And when we scroll down a little bit, we can find the app security. We have to open the app protection, and from this we have to click to turn on to activate McAfee antivirus. And now we have to click to scan the phone. Now we have to wait for the scanning our smartphones actually to check for each application and for each file that we have actually on our smartphone. So we have to wait until we hit right here the 100%. It will take around like 20 seconds or something like this. And after this, there we go. There's like no threats detected. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.